What's going on, everybody? My name is Shashwat Namdar. I am CEO of Kite, and if you don't know, Kite is a nonprofit organization that is committed to disseminating computer science technologies to everyone who is interested in learning and doesn't have the resources to do so. So, uh, along with some of the other courses we teach at the nonprofit, I am excited to introduce the first machine learning course. To introduce the machine learning course basically. And I'll be the main teacher here. And so this will be the first video and introduction. What is machine learning? What we're really going to cover. And I hope you're excited. So stay tuned. We'll be posting more videos on the YouTube channel just like this. So there are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. For the sake of this course, we'll be kind of focusing on supervised learning. And at the end, maybe we'll cover reinforcement learning if people want. But unsupervised learning isn't very popular these days, and I don't think we'll be covering it. So first, what is supervised learning? Supervised learning is the process of teaching machine learning models with training data that includes inputs and outputs. This allows the model to learn over time, and we can measure the accuracy of this using a loss function. That's a lot of words. What does it really mean? So I'll bring out the Microsoft Paint. So basically what it says is, let's say we have this like black box right here. This is the ML machine learning algorithm basically, right? What this says is we can give a bunch of inputs. Sorry for the handwriting. And a bunch of outputs, right? So we feed inputs into the algorithm, and this should give us outputs. So basically, how supervised learning works is what we do is we input some data. So let's say we want to build a machine learning algorithm that can classify between a dog or a cat, right? So the inputs would be pictures of dogs or pictures of cats. So D for dog or C for cat, right? And we kind of just feed like a whole bunch of images, almost like a million images of dogs or a million images of cats. And we kind of, so this is our algorithm. And so we're going to feed all these images of dogs and cats into the algorithm. And we're going to tell the algorithm at the end. So it does its thinking and it comes up with a result. Is it a dog or is it a cat? And then the output, what the image was basically, will be here, and then the machine learning algorithm will learn. Like if this was a dog and it predicted dog, then that's good. But if it predicted cat and it was a dog, that's bad. And over time, the machine learning algorithm would learn. And this is what supervised learning is basically. Um, and we'll teach you how that process works and how we can code it basically. So even in supervised learning, there are two types. There's classifiers, which is basically what I was talking about. It classifies between dogs and cats, or, you know, any types like sidewalks, not sidewalks. You can really like images or even like banks, right? If it looks at a person's like financial data and then determines is he like qualifiable for a loan? Is he not qualifiable for a loan? All these different things are different use cases for the classifiers. Regressors are kind of different. They kind of choose like they're supposed to create a number. So um by what I mean by that is, let me try and delete all of this, clear up some space. Regressors would sort of be like let's say there's I guess one way, this is very oversimplified, but like if you have a person's like stats, like he was scoring 97 on a test, 95 on a test, 90 and then like 92. I don't know why. And then 97 again. What's the next test score? Um, so here you're not classifying if it's like what something is. Like you're not putting it into a box. You have to get the number. Um, so that's what regressors are, and we'll cover that as well. It's not that much different than a classifier. And then so these are the different types, but these are the different algorithms that are associated with supervised learning. The main one is neural networks. There's naive Bayes, linear logistic regression, which is similar to neural networks. Support vector machines, k-nearest neighbor, and random forest. So for the sake of this machine learning course, since neural networks are by and away far and away the most popular type of supervised learning algorithm, we'll be covering these. If someone wants to learn these in the future, we'll make videos. But for now, we'll be covering neural networks. And that's it. So stay tuned for the next videos. This is just like the introduction course to show what we'll be learning, to introduce myself, and so I hope you stay tuned for the next few videos. Bye.